Hello everyone, welcome to Miller's Language School. What do you know about Scotland? New words. Simple dialogue. 90th lesson. New words. Half. Small. Smaller. Much smaller. Main. 2 main. 3 main. All main. Wild. Wild animal. Wild country. Wild, wilder, wildest. Civilized. Civilized people. Although. Though. However. In the same way. Simple dialogue. Michael, what do you know about Scotland?
Scotland is half as big as England.
I think Scots speak English.
I don't agree with you. Most people in Scotland speak English. Although some older people still speak Gaelic.
Really? I didn't know about it. Do you speak Gaelic?
Although we are Scottish, neither I nor my wife speak Gaelic.
Do you have a house in Scotland?
Yeah. The houses in Scotland are mainly built of slate.
I saw it. In English towns, the houses are mainly built of red brick, whereas in Scottish towns and villages, the houses are mainly of grey slate.
Do you know that Scotland has 2 main regions?
I read about it.
In the north, the highlands are wild and beautiful, and in the south, the lowlands are more agricultural.
Did you see the capital of Scotland?
Yes, I do. Although Edinburgh is the capital, Glasgow is the main industrial centre.
Scottish towns look very different from English ones.
That's true. So, although Scotland is part of Great Britain, it has never been united with England in the same way as Wales.
English is easy to learn, whereas Gaelic is complicated. Of course, that is my own opinion.
I agree with you. Although some older people still speak Gaelic. This is my own brochure about Scotland. Take it.
Thank you.
The Scots have their own religion, called Presbyterianism, and their own laws.
Do you like Scotch?
Yes, of course. But you don't pronounce it in the same way as me.
Second wave. 33rd lesson. Let's listen and repeat. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include it in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say see you soon for another video.